everyone, my name is Jaime, and today I'm going to show you our trip to London, Ontario. We packed our bags, got in the car, and drove to a new city. One of the coolest things we did was drive through a Christmas light show. There were so many colorful lights everywhere. I saw glowing trees, sparkling tunnels, and even giant Christmas decorations. It felt like we were driving through a magical Christmas world. My favorite part was when the lights were all around the car like a rainbow. I kept looking out the window because there was something new every second. To the heaven. 6, 7, surprise! Close your eyes. After it was time to eat, so we went to Arby's. Do you know why? Because it's my mom's favorite. When we walked in, I could already smell the yummy food. We ordered our food and then sat down at the table together. My mom got her favorite roast beef sandwich. But do you know what? My favorite is curly fries. Arby's curly fries are the best. They are twisty and crunchy and super yummy. When the food came, it looked so good. I was so happy eating my curly fries that I started being really silly and making funny faces at the camera. Trips are fun, but eating together might be one of the best parts.
Walk to the car, hurry up.
Next, we went to the London Children's Museum. This place was awesome. There were so many fun things to play with and explore. I got to build things, pretend to be different characters, and learn cool stuff while playing. It didn't even feel like learning because it was so fun. I wish I could stay there all day. This is the water section, and land together with fences, but I don't know what those pieces are for. And if you grab a ball, I'm just shoot up to the sky. And then right now I'm burying my hand in sandy nuts. And right now I'm playing with them. I'm making a mountain, but I'm doing that again. Oh hey, we're in a cave with Leah. Mommy is helping me climb the cave so then I won't fall. Okay, we're in the bubbly place. This is fun to play in. And next we're doing experiments. This is fun to do it. And look, we're going to drop this in and see how it glitters. left. Now. Then it was time for something very special, the New Year's Eve countdown. There were lots of people celebrating and getting ready for the new year. Everyone was excited and counting down together. Right after the countdown, fireworks exploded in the sky. They were bright and colorful and went boom, boom, boom. It was the perfect way to start the new year. That was my trip to London, Ontario. I had so much fun seeing the lights, visiting the museum, and celebrating New Year's Eve. Thanks for watching my video and coming on this adventure with me. Bye-bye. See you next time.